So Maya's been giving me some trouble. It's been glitching on me, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you guys how to fix a number of problems that you're going to have in Maya. You're going to need to go under Documents, click on Maya. Hold on, let me pull this over to your window. Okay, you might have to, if it's glitching a lot and there's just something wrong with Maya, what you might have to do is reset or reinstall the software, but it takes forever to download and it'll take a long time to install as well. So before I do that, I recommend going into, this only works for Maya, going into Prefs, and you can tell I've done this before. First, you have to close out Maya. Don't save it. Hello. First, you have to close out Maya. Then you go into Prefs and rename this to Old Prefs. That's Old Prefs, and I'm going to call this 2 because I've done this in the past. The reason I'm doing this instead of just deleting the preferences is there might be something in here that you can salvage, like your shelves are in here. If you've got some stuff that you've changed, you might be able to take this and put this into your new Prefs folder and salvage some of the stuff, but it might bring your problems back if you do that as well. So then you go back, and when you restart Maya again, it'll take a little longer. But what it's going to do is it's going to create a new preferences folder for you with all of the defaults. It just sort of resets everything in Maya back to as if you just installed the software. And I mean, not everything. It fixes, see, it tells you, do you want to create a default preferences folder? Yes, I do. And it fixes a lot of glitching that you have in Maya. 90% of the time, if you have something that's glitching over and over again and you just can't work in Maya, this fixes it.